Here you see two equations, this one, this one, 1 and 2. I will write these two equations first, and thereafter I will work for these two equations. Okay, so see these things what I have said. So the first equation was uh, u1 square plus u2 square equals to 1. Let it be equation number 1. And the second was v1 square plus v2 square plus v3 square equals to 1. Let us assume it to be equation number 2. Now I will write the two equations. The two equations was this one, and this one. Okay, so in the first side I write the first one, and that was AU equals to root 2V, and in the second part it was transpose of A, and V equals to root 2U. Now in the question our A is 1 0 minus 1 1 1 1, and U was U1 U2, and V was V1 V2 V3. Now let us compare. You know these things. After comparison you get u1 plus u2 equals to root 2 v1, and u2 equals to root 2 v2, and the third minus u1 plus u2 equals to root 2 v3. Now let us work in the other part. In this part AT, it means transpose of A, so this will be 1 1 0 1 minus 1 1. Okay, this is transpose of A into V is V1 V2 V3 equals to root 2 U is u1 u2. Okay, from this we get v1 minus v3 equals to root 2 u1, and the second v1 plus v2 plus v3 equals to root 2 u2. Okay, now let us number this equation 3, this 4, this 5, and this 6, and this 7. After adding 3, 4, and 5, we get 3u2 equals to root 2 v1 plus v2 plus v3, and you know this v1 plus v2 plus v3 equals root 2 u2. So I write 1 root 2 is already there, you see here, and for v1 plus v2 plus v3, the value is root 2 u2. So I write the next root 2 u2. The next step will be the next step will be 3u2 minus 2u2 equals to 0. From here we have u2 equals to 0. Now from this equation, since u2 is 0, so v2 will be also 0 from 4. Okay, now from this equation, since u2 is 0, so u1 will be plus minus 1. Okay, and plus minus 1, and from this equation, see this equation in a blue enclosure, u2 is 0, this is 0, here you see u2 is 0, so u1 will be from that u1 at the place of u1, you see here at the place of u1 I put plus minus 1. Okay, plus minus 1, and thereafter you see here u2, and u2 you see here u2 is 0. Okay, so next will be here 0, and that will be equal to root 2 v1. So we got u1 and v1. So I erase all these things that I have discussed so far, because we have got the values for u1 and v1. That makes easier to find the required value. Okay, so what we got so far, we got u1 equals to plus minus 1, and the lowermost equation will give us v1 equals to plus minus 1 by root 2. And now let us see what is to find. Okay, so we have to find this one, mod of, here you see, mod of u1 plus 2 root 2 v1. Okay, so we have to find this one, mod of u1 plus 2 root 2 v1, and this will be obviously u1 is plus minus 1 and plus 2 root 2, v1 is our plus minus 1 by root 2, and mod of all these things, if you common this plus minus 1, then, and you know, root 2 get cancelled, and you take plus minus 1 common, then there will be another mode, and inside the other mode it will be 1 plus 2. So finally we get 1 into 3, so the final answer will be 3. So the in the vacant space here in the question it will be 3. So 3 is our correct